Morning, good morning. I was having an issue with chat last night, so I did an evening stream last night. What's up, Luke? I hope it comes right this morning. But anyway, took a nice little trade here on NAS last night. Had to secure partials at about 20 points. Put stops at break even. Really well managed trade because price came back and actually would have stopped us out, and then we would have pushed to targets and been extremely disappointed. So anyway, good trade last night. Gonna try to carry that momentum through to today. We've got some GBP news coming up at 9 o'clock. Claimant count change. Alright, gold. Your weekly's got a nice little bottom wick here. Yesterday closed basically a doji candle, but we've got that pullback that we were looking for. As mentioned in the breakdown given on the Discord. So we actually pulled into 1757 quite nicely, and that idea played out really well as well. When we eventually broke above 1765, we filled this range as expected. Alright, but now today, let me remove all of this. I've got resistance right over here at 1773. Price is still bullish here. We've still got range to move up, so I'll be looking for buys above here. I was liking the look of the 4 hour earlier on. Looked like we were going to close above this resistance, but we haven't. So I was thinking of some impulse entries this morning, but I would rather wait and see us close above 1773. All in all, price is just sitting in this range right now, so you do want to be waiting for a breakout of this range. Personally, not too interested in sales right now. Overall, we are pretty bullish. 4 hour closed bullish. What's up, everybody? Last night's stream was alright. We came out on top. A little bit of a tricky one, but well managed trade. And like Wayne says, your song I think helped us pull through there. Wayne was singing in the chat. Let's go, Naz. Let's go. Sells in this range don't look too bad, but I'm not expecting price to fill this entire range. I'm expecting maybe a fake out of 1767 if we do break below there. So yeah, like I say, I'm not really too interested in sells. Well, they're just gonna wait for these bars to set up, whether it's a fake out of 1767 or a break above 1773. First targets for the morning for me will be 1781. And if we're breaking yesterday's highs, I mean, these are big targets here, but we could potentially have runners into 1802. Daily looks real nice here, setting up to drive up. If we do break yesterday's high, I would then expect us to fill this range here this morning at least. GJ, let's have a quick look at GJ. We do have some time before the news. Good morning, everybody. See quite a few people in chat. I'm not seeing the chat like I normally see it. It's not popping up here on the screen. Let me actually have a look if I can get this right quick. I don't know what's up with the chat. But anyway, let's have a look here at GJ. GJ, yesterday we closed bullish on the daily. Just a weak bullish candle. Looking quite rangy, direction not all that clear. Weekly obviously still looks quite bearish. Maybe creating that top wick on the weekly to drive down. If price can break back above 165,500, this previous key level here, if we can break back above there and trade above there, we could see us move back bullish here on GJ, breaking above yesterday's highs. Maybe like a little fake out here on the daily time frame. Based off the hourly, I need to see us breaking above 165,870 here for some buys. Right, I'm simply looking for the highest probability trades. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this entire range, I'd say direction is just not clear, alright? Now, with the 4 hour being bullish, maybe we can say that price is going to move up. But is this range really worth it? Yeah, I just don't see anything really worth the time and money within this entire range between 165 and 163. So I'm going to be waiting for a breakout of this area right here. I was thinking potential sells below this support. There is about 36 pips at least to grab within this range here. But I think we'll have safer sells below 163,640. And then here we also had this nice level at 165. We are trading back above there. You got a nice bullish candle there. We could easily drive up and fill the rest of this range, but for me this is just not really worth it. Stops here about 35 pips, 20 pips to break even, let's say. It's not too bad. Not too bad, but the thing is also here on GJ I'm waiting for news at 9 o'clock. Where can I put sell crypto? Alright, so just waiting for the news here on GJ, gold. We're waiting for these pies to set up. What's up, boys?
Hey.
How's it going? Can you hear
Okay,
me?
my apartment's a young bit loud, so I'll be on and off speaking, eh?
Okay, cool, no worries.
Go.
What's up?
Gold coming down. Huh?
I'm not really looking for sells, but yeah, it's rejecting the 1773 level.
No.
I was looking at it for sells below 1767, but I'm more concerned of a fake out of that support.
Oh, okay.
I'm more interested in buys.
Yeah, I think buys could be nice if we get like a solid hourly close above,
Yeah.
but it's a little bit of a tough one for me in buys right now.
Yeah, no, there's nothing right now. Is anyone in chat familiar with Streamlabs software?
Nothing, a bit of Googling configs. What do you need help with?
Yeah, nah, you're right.
I'll
Yeah,
Google for you.
I'm sure I'll figure it out
Yeah.
after the stream. No, just the chat box is not showing up.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll sort that out for you.
Jared.
Don't stress, Jared. Let me just have a look after stream. We can do without it for today. Any GJ bar?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I spoke about this idea. If you feel comfortable with that, I don't think the setup is too bad actually. But yeah, I'd rather wait here for the news. 37 minutes until news.
Eight days left, Connor.
Is it?
Yeah.
So what you gonna do? Too lot.
Don't gamble. Don't trade on the gamble.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can put it. So
DXY looking nice to continue this dollar weakness. You know, we had a very strong impulsive push down, had a little bit of a pullback. Looks like we are forming resistance here to potentially continue moving down, which should result in further bullish push on gold.
I think we're gonna have to wait for London open to see the bullish push.
Yeah,
It's
I'm also
rejected
thinking
a
so.
lot. Rejected a lot to the top, so I don't think we're just gonna break that.
Yeah, we might have to wait for London Open for any trades, because even with news for GJ coming out at 9, you know, even we've seen it quite a few times before where news comes out at 9. We'll normally only get a move at London Open, or if there's news an hour before London Open, we'll only see that volume kick in when the market opens.
And if we don't, we just miss the move, and then it's easy to do.
Yeah. Tomorrow may be different with CPI. CPI, you might see volatility even before London Open, but claimant count change, I would expect us to only really start moving at London Open. Wayne says he's gonna go the same route.
Well, I don't have my YouTube open at the moment because my laptop's slow.
Nah, I'm assuming he's talking about what you were talking about just now.
No, I shouldn't do that. Smack Wayne.
You hear that, Wayne?
Stick to what he's doing.
You're gonna get a PK. No gambling yet, okay? I'm serious.
Let me open YouTube so I can start fighting with Wayne.
Do you mean that, or are you just saying
I mean it. I'm really doing it.
that?
Concentrate.
No, I'm saying to Connor with the no gambling here. Are you
No,
sure?
I'm not gonna do anything, Wayne. It's Nico. I'll send him onto you like a pit bull. Or a border
Yeah,
collie.
you hear that?
What is it?
No,
A border
Zach, you
collie,
said
right?
pit bull. Fuck you. You said pit bull, Zach.
Nah, I'll send him like a border collie. He'll just make sure that you get in line, you know?
Oh, he'll poke you with his nose until you come right.
I'm so excited today.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening.
You said, Nico, we're gonna have the same route. And Wayne, of course I can smack my elders, bro. Especially if I have to keep them in line. What do you mean? Can't do what I'm doing, and you knew at the game. First learn the discipline. I know that I'm about to fucking break every rule I have, but it's kinda like
Yeah, you don't mess with Nico. Eh? On his days off, he goes to the elder home and just beats people up.
fuck the fuck out of all of them. What do you mean?
Is that why my gran had a blue eye?
I'm telling you, my boot. I don't play games, yeah.
She saw a photo of Nico and I together, my gran, and she's like, "That's him, that's him." I was like, "What? What?" Oh, Nico, much love. I'm just joking.
Okay, yeah, no, I didn't know you had. But you still have a lot of days left, Wayne. That's what I'm saying. You don't need to yet. Maybe the last 10 days and you're down like, let's say 5% for the last, and there's 10 days left, then yeah, maybe. Like, let's say like 3%, maybe between 3 and 5% down, and you still have like 15 plus days, maybe 20 days. That's still chilling. It's not that bad. I just have 8 days left and I'm down 5%, so it's kind of.
So when it comes to funding challenges, I try to be as transparent as possible. You know, I say, alright, it's an amazing opportunity to increase capital. It's worked for me, but at the same time, you have to be consistent before you jump into a funding challenge, because they can get pricey. So the thing is, let's say you're doing a 10k challenge. You've got $1,000 drawdown and you've got $1,000 target. Let's just use those numbers to make it easy. So in theory, alright, they say here's 10k, but it's actually not. It's 1,000. You've only got 1,000 drawdown.
1,200.
No, I'm just saying 1,000 to make it easy.
Oh, number. Okay, my bad.
So you've got 1,000 drawdown and your target is 1,000. So you actually have to flip that account. And account flipping is not the way to go. So it's tough. Psychologically, funding challenges are very tough. That's how they make their money. So I want you guys to know that. I want you guys to know that it's not easy. I've lost funded accounts. I've lost many funded accounts. I've wasted a lot of money on funding challenges. But at the same time, it has paid me my money back tenfold. Time and time again. But it's not easy. It's psychologically draining. When you're in drawdown, it's not easy. When you've got a target to reach, it's difficult to trade in that environment. So I always say, they put you in a box. Do everything you can to take yourself out of that box. Be as disciplined as humanly possible. I know that's not easy, but it's the only way. It's the only way to move forward. Otherwise, you'll always be stuck.
That's solid advice.
Yeah, funding challenges, it's not easy. If you look at the stats, actually getting, let's say, 3 payouts in a row is almost like winning the lotto. So I'm serious. If you go and look at the stats, I don't know where I saw it. I wish I could find it for you guys.
There's a video that I watched. I'll send it to you. This Oak Wolves FX. He breaks down all the stats. Man,
Oh, is it?
I'll send it to you quickly.
I've seen his channel. He keeps popping up. Yeah, Will's FX. I haven't really watched his stuff, but he does a lot of stuff on funding challenges. So if you do want to know more, maybe go have a look. But I mean, that's all I can say to you guys. It's not easy. I'm not trying to sell you a dream. Like I said, I try to be transparent about it. But I want you guys to be able to gain that discipline so that you can take advantage of them. You know.
Yeah. What's different about this? Okay.
You're gonna talk about the same thing, though.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna tell you about that video. He just breaks down all the statistics that they released and showed how many people started, how many people get through the different phases, how many people fail after the phases, how many people get paid out. So it shows this isn't as easy with funding as everybody thinks. But he shows it is possible. So that's what he's doing.
The thing is, biggest problem is passing the challenge, because once you have a live account, they don't care how much percent you make, so then you can under risk it all. But with me doing it this time for the first time, where I'm really following the book, bro, with this challenge, it feels like it's very not getting away. That's the only thing to me. So I don't know, maybe I'm under risking it too much, which is, I understand if it is that, because, well, it should be that, because I'm risking 0.25%. It's fucking nothing. So I can't expect an 8% return just overnight. So, yeah.
But it's a good approach. Risking, I'd say, even 0.5%. If you are consistent, risking 0.5%, let's say you get up to, maybe you get up to like 3 or 4% profit. Then at that point you can maybe start risking a full percent. You know what I mean?
I'd say passing the challenge.
Keeping
the account is not difficult, bro.
Yeah, passing the challenge.
Unless you become greedy and over risk and lose it that way, then that's on you for being greedy. But you won't lose it like risk managed and all that.
I think a lot of people do lose their live accounts quite quickly because they do get greedy. So it comes down
Get
to
excited because they laugh
excited.
and now they're gonna actually see return of money. Like if you're not falling for those tricks, then of course no, like keeping the lives way easier because you can under risk it and still get a payout, still get money. So,
yeah, that's the best approach when you're on a live, is to actually completely under risk. And give yourself a daily cutoff as well. The daily cutoff the company's going to give you is 5%. Nico and I have spoken about it. Our cutoffs are 2%. So we will never lose more than 2% in a day. Obviously, if we are disciplined enough to stick to that.
then CPR slips you.
And then
Very
CPR
powerful.
slips you. Fucked.
Then your 2% becomes 2.5.
Yeah. Very
Which
quickly.
isn't bad, still managed. Oh, I wanted to say, Wayne, if you do want to learn something else or want to look into something else other than just these kind of trades, look into what scalping is. Like, go see if you can figure out what scalping is, and then if you can, see what I mean by it. You'll see a bit more money, but there's a lot more risk involved because it's more trades you're taking. So I don't know if you want to, but that's how I've made most of my money in my trading life, is scalping, not like swing trade type shit. But I can tell you the proper way to do it is with this price action trading, because this is way more consistent. So, way fucking more.
Jared, do you have those stats, or could you just send me that video on WhatsApp, or even Discord, and I can maybe pull it up here. I like Monster Money style.
I read the same thing now. I don't like Monster. You know what, Connor? We need to take Monster out your name, my friend, because I'm not allowed to drink those things anymore.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Can't get sponsored by them.
I can get sponsored by them.
Fuck you, I can't. So listen. I love those things, bro. Yes, yes. Come get sponsored there, Connor. I don't care if I'm risking it.
What was I gonna say?
100%. You see that once you love, you can under risk it so much and still see so much return that is ridiculous. Especially if your account is the size you want. If you have a full $7,000 live account, you'll see way more return basically just because it's your personal live, not a funded. Like, I mean, you went 3 times bigger than that almost. So now you're gonna see more return.
Slow is fast in this industry. That is beautiful. That is spot on.
See what he says. He withdrew for 4 months constantly.
No, well done, bro. Keep it up.
But that's basically the same risk as what I was saying. That's if you work it out to 0.3 on a 10k, it's like just over it, well, 0.3%. Yeah, still risking under 0.5%, dude. That's nice. Who is this? Torino. There's someone new, fun.
Who's this?
Person that said that. Torino.
He's been here for a few streams.
Yeah.
I've seen him quite a bit lately. I'm sending this link for from Jared, this World's Apex video to the what is it, community chat on Monster Money. So if you're interested in prop firms, go and have a look at this.
Bro, please tell me before you got your fund that you use Monster Money's % discount code to get it, or did you pay full amount? Oh no, wait, 25k. That means you're not my Forex funds. You're somewhere else. Wrong one. We didn't have a 25k. No, we didn't. Yeah, we like we own fucking my Forex. Let me just say that. They don't have a 25k funded there.
I'm coming now.
No. All this so weird, dude. Fuck me. Oh, Jared, are you still there?
What about the news on GBP? That's what we're waiting for. We've got 20 minutes here.
No, Wayne. I don't rate that's better, bro. I rate it's better to get a funded account and try and make money from the funded because there's so many like things about it. One, it's not your money you're trading with. Yes, they put you in a box, but it's still not your money. There's no like nothing comes back your way if you lose lose it. Like you just your money you spent to get the account. And when you get your first payout, they pay you your money back. So it's basically a free account. So like technically you can make free money in a sense. You just have to put in the effort and the time. So like that's why I would say funded is better until you're up to the point where you can have like, okay, this is a bit excessive, but like let's say like anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 trading account. That's your own personal love. I know that sounds insanely big, but the thing is, if I'm talking about being comfortable with your trading account where you can under risk and still see big return on your account, not just some return. So that's why I'm saying that much. So I wouldn't start off try to get there and then go funded. I'd rather funded, get some capital in, then go there.
One thing I advise as well is to throw in a little bit of money into a live account, even if it's a couple $100, and trade with that and get a feel for trading with real money. If you've just come from a demo, it's going to be a big jump moving to a funded account. If you're trading with live funds, it's a different story. The psychology is very different to a demo.
Yeah. Also, you feel so comfortable, you'll leave your runners to run. You'll leave those to do that. Where on a live with your real money, you would not have fuck do it. That's where the problem comes in. Then you question what you're doing, and then you don't have that confidence of trusting yourself and trusting what your setup says. And yeah. All this so funky, dude. Shit.
Even GJ.
Gimina gets a huge closure on the previous, but then we would down to go match the previous 30s low. Don't break it, we just match it and we play around.
Dude, I don't know what's up with my keyboard this morning.
My Chrome didn't open this morning again. I have to restart my fucking laptop again. And it's your video. Because all I tried to do was make your video full screen. And then everything fucked out. Blame you.
The fuck?
What happened?
Nah, bro, my keyboard is fucking out.
Plugged in properly. Make sure you push it in properly.
Nah, I think it might be dead. But it's on charge now.
Are you in on that? Or the other sell stop on that currency pair?
No, I'm in.
You're in on that pair.
Yeah.
It's fucked up again. if you take me and Jared off stream, can we speak to each other still?
Yeah,
And can you still speak to your stream?
yeah.
Do that quickly.
Yeah, you guys are off. Yeah. So you're not gonna trade the news? No, I'll be here for the news. Just waiting for my setups to play out. Obviously, I'll see how the news comes out as well. But I'll probably be waiting for London Open. It's another hour and 10 minutes away. Yeah, I use the line chart now and then if I'm marking up like a trend line, for instance. So yeah, we're pushing down here on gold. Back to the bottom of this range. If we do break out, there's range to move down here. But I'm rather going to wait for these bars to play out. And for sells, what I'll be looking for is if we do break some of the structure here, break below that trend line. Until tomorrow maybe, although news said price go down, but that's... wait, no, I only saw your question now. do you rate it's better to use your own capital and gain slowly, try build it up to a 10k or 25k? It depends what's available to you. If you have a reasonable amount, even like $2,000, you know, then sure, use your own funds, dude. Other than that, like a few $100 accounts, it's not going to take you far. If you only have $100 to trade, I'd say you'd be better off putting it into a funded account. But like I say, you have to be at that point. You know, we spoke about this. What's up, Shaker? The other thing is with a funded account, you know, if you do get a decent payout, then there you go. There's your funds for your own live account. Don't aim for the skies directly. Yeah, that 5k. I'd rather say 10k. 10k is just a nice round number to work with. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna unmute you. What's up, Justin?
Oh, Connor, did you see Justin and stuff?
Oh, I saw he sent stuff. I didn't have a look.
What is this? Trader IDX. What did this person send, bro? I can see.
It's gone now.
Yeah, it looked, he literally like copied.
Why is he spamming the same message 3 times, bro? So, were you speaking to stream or me and Jared were speaking?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, did you just mute us?
I just muted myself on Discord so you couldn't hear me, and I muted you on stream so they couldn't hear you.
Alright. See, this is why we follow you. Smart man.
Mula Yams. Yeah, I mean, thing is, the numbers are quite big. If you're new to trading, those numbers can be very big. I mean, if it's your first shot at a funded account and you've come from trading $100 accounts and now you're trying to trade 100k, those numbers are going to move very quickly and it's going to spark a lot of emotion. So that's what I say, 10k, start there, build your way up. 5k even, but look, I much just prefer 10k. You know, the numbers are a lot easier to work with, and you do have a little bit more wiggle room than a 5k. The thing is, if you're trading a 5k, earlier on I was talking about the amount of drawdown you have. So on a 5k, you're only going to have $500 drawdown. So in theory, that's basically a $500 account. So at that point, you may as well be trading your own funds.
Mr. Connor, are we gonna get jumped today, by the way?
Yeah, are you keen to train legs?
Yeah, but are we gonna go to Virgin on the beach so we can sauna afterwards, please?
Yeah. I'm down with that.
I need a fucking sauna session, so I'm planning to sit in that bitch for a while. Let's just look, wait. You can just look at when it's load shedding by the gym, bro. No, you know, sauna's like, I think like you can get on for like 12k, bro. A fucking nice one.
Isn't it like a built-in thing, or you get like a
Dog,
just drop
you
it off
just
at
need
your
to-
house?
Oh, yeah, no, you can probably just drop it at your house, bro, depending the size of the thing.
Yeah.
Probably,
I'll look
probably.
into it, dude. I want one.
Bro, why don't you? Okay, I can. Sounds like an effort, but you can build one, dog. Like, it's really not difficult to build one. It's just effort, like I said.
Yeah, so
You just need the. It's just the right wood. That's it. You just need to get the right wood that can take that heat, and then
yeah.
bro. Then that machine thing they have, it's not a machine. It's just a thing that holds the stones, and then it keeps like reheating. Like, I'm sure
And
it's
there's
plugged in somewhere.
elements in there.
Yeah, and then it keeps heating those stones, and the stones hold heat, and then that's what gives off like not just straight fucking fire heat to you, but like a room type of heat that keeps heating up type of shit. The fuck steam room, bro. I can't go. Okay, I don't know if it's all steam rooms, but the only steam room I've ever been in is the one there by my gym, and that thing is shit. It's
Yeah.
like
I
a hot box
also
that
don't
can
like the
fuck,
steam room,
bro.
dude.
You can't even see in front of you. There's so much steam, bro. Now I must breathe this shit in the whole time. Nah, I can't deal. And every
Yeah.
time I come, that steam room makes me sick all the fucking time. I get flu from it. So I don't go in that thing at all anymore.
I also prefer the sauna.
And sauna relaxes my muscles more, so I think it's more about sitting in it for that.
I think it's more about preference. So I think they
must-
achieve the same effect. It's just it's what you prefer.
I wanted to ask you. Remember I spoke about the supplements,
About what?
the SSA supplements, the whey,
Oh
pure
yeah,
whey, and the one whey extreme and pure whey. Which one did we say we need?
pure way.
Pure whey. So I'm gonna get a price on it for us, and then I'm gonna let you know. Are you still keen to get?
Okay, yeah.
Because remember what I told you. I just don't want to say it now, but you remember about the SSA.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just find out about that because I really forgot up until now. Just remembered about what we said now.
I've got like half a tub left, but dude,
For
I swear
the price
whey prices have gone up more than petrol.
so I'm saying for the price I can get it. That's what I'm asking people want.
Yeah, please.
We'll just double check.
This news is coming out in a minute and 40 seconds. I'll most likely not be taking any trades with the news. I'm waiting for London Open. So we've got plenty of time. And I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay, so mixed numbers for the pound, but more good than anything. Claim and count change looks like really good numbers. Average earnings, good numbers. Unemployment rate, slightly negative. But to be taking anything here, I do need to see us break above 166. So hopefully this news brings us some volume and we can set up above 166 for London Open.
Got more news this week, man. If we look there or not.
Yeah, we've got PPR tomorrow. Oh no, sorry, later today. We've got CPR, GBP CPR tomorrow. Core retail sales for the dollar tomorrow.
Good.
This year has flown, eh?
No, dude, and I needed to fucking slow down, my friend. Yeah.
Yo, I
Me-
mean,
This
I've
is
only
meant
got
to
like,
slow down. You don't have a lot there.
I've got 3 more weeks of trading. I'm going away on the 8th of December, so 7th of December will be the last stream for the year.
So you giving me the YouTube login details, and me and Jared will go stream and we'll full margin everything, just scalp the fuck away.
Nah, start your own channel and then I'll promote it. I'll promote it here on my channel and on the Discord.
Comes back to 0 subscribers.
I'm the worst influence to have on the stream. Just me alone sitting there with people. You know how much caca will cause? No.
Yes, yes.
Oh no, I'd be too naughty, eh, Connor? Yeah, you can't do that.
Yeah, you'll probably fight someone in chat.
Won't do that. Yes, I'll just lose people money probably. Oh, I won't be able to have a no trade day. I will want to chase a trade, and that will probably fuck me hard.
Yeah, it is pressure at times. You know, with
That's
people
all.
watching you. I think I've adjusted to it now. It's been a good few months, but you know there were days where the pressure, I could feel the pressure. Now chat will never pressure me into doing anything.
Yeah, I'm down for the last day, hey, on this account, and there's only one day left. It's my last trading day. I'm gonna risk 2.5% on one trade.
You say you've got 8 days.
Yeah, so on the last day, I'll risk the full, like, basically 20 pips accounts fucked on.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Why not? There's
Yeah,
one day left.
nah.
I'm not gonna promise it. It is what it is then. But if it runs just like 40 pips, bro, that's me back in it. You take for free. So I also think I have to wait till next year, dude. End of this year shit is just, yeah, not it for me.
Yeah, things have been kind of out of whack since the beginning of November. But yeah,
Yeah,
I think
some of-
we could be setting up for the end of year, for beginning of next year.
Yeah, I think. When do you think? 2 weeks? End of Jan? When? You think it will be back to not normal, but normal for the year up until festivity?
Jan may be slow, but I'll start doing streams middle of Jan again.
We'll probably obviously see how it's looking at first, and then
Yeah.
decide.
I mean, I probably won't even trade
When are you back? It's the only.
when I'm back
Leaving. When you
on
leave
the
the
18th.
States. Oh, you're coming back the 18th of December at least.
Yeah,
Right, the family time with Christmas and shit.
yeah.
I'm leaving the 29th of December.
Where are you going?
The 2nd of Jan to Togo.
And Yukon?
I'm going to Durban.
Okay, well,
Dubs.
I must still figure out when I'm coming down to UX. Yeah.
You want to do that before Christmas or next year, early in the year? How do you want to do it?
Early
Yeah.
Jan could be a vibe. Eh?
Yeah, early Jan I was gonna say,
Early
because
Jan, I was gonna
we'll
say
probably
too.
all be around then.
Yeah.
What are you guys' plans for New Year's? Or Jared, what's your plan?
If I'm not mistaken, I actually think I have a gig on New Year's.
Oh, that's dope.
That's fine.
Yeah, so I just have to sort of see. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be a busy December for me.
Get paid to Joel.
Literally.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
New Year's.
Yeah.
I'm gonna suggest something, but
What?
so, I'm not fly to Miami.
Fly to Miami. I'm going March next year.
Oh, okay, well, makes sense.
Oh, I can just see that headline. New York session in New York.
That'll be a pretty dope
100%.
title for stream. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I might go there for a couple months even. I'll see how things go.
How much you gonna stream, my friend? Best believe.
So
But
if I can set up to stream, I will do that definitely. But I might have to stream New York.
Oh, but Tom, wow, what's the time now there?
The time there now is like 2, dude. 2 in the morning.
My friend, this is when you get back from a job, let's say, when you start the stream. London session, perfect, open.
Nah, you man.
No, but I mean,
Hello guys, welcome
to the
to
stream.
London.
was Jared lagging? It sounded so much worse.
And then some of me trying to call Connor, and you get that prompt. This is a long distance call. Do you accept the charges? Me screaming, yes, yes, get that motherfucker off stream. Hey, God.
Yeah, something like that, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. I mean, so far, pre-London, there's been nothing, so we'll have to wait for London, which is in 50 minutes.
Connor,
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you, my friend. Are you ready for some good news on this no trade day? Even though I've taken a trade, but it's no trade day.
Yeah.
Found a place that sells platters, buy one get one free of sushi.
Where?
I'm not fucking sure. It's something Zhao, something. I'm not sure where they are. I know they are somewhere. I found them, but I can't see the prices properly, bro. I can't see because it's like a screenshot sent to me. Like, I can't see the thing properly.
Send it to me.
You won't be able to. Okay, you're trying to sound blind and I can't see it. That's what's going with you. Listen, my friend. I'm not that fucking blind. I'm blind, but not that blind. Yo, well, happy eating, we fuck up. 100%. We fuck that thing up the whole time.
Dude,
But
happy eating is...
Now Zhao is apparently a platter. Buy one platter, get a platter free.
Shawarma is in Sterling.
Bro, that's in the same fucking place. That's even closer to where we go to the Dolphin Range, Connor. Yes.
It's just getting better and better. Just trying to pass time here. So we're playing this game that Shaker sent to the chat one day. Playing City Guesser. I'm guessing this is in China.
Thailand. Yeah, I'll say Thailand.
Thailand.
No, not Thailand, no. Is that place all the way? I don't say this is China. What did you say, China?
Yeah, I say China, somewhere.
No, it's not China. This is like
Vietnam.
yes, something like that. Like one of those smaller places. R8. Does it?
Yeah, I am cuck at these games, eh?
There's somewhere that tells you what it is, even if we can't guess it right.
Yeah, it will
Yes.
tell us.
Go for Bangkok.
It was in China. Fuck's sake.
Okay.
Should have trusted my gut.
What do you mean? When did you change your place?
All you can eat Panarottis was $42.
Oh, bro, we went there as a first team rugby team, my friend. You know how we fucked that thing up, bro? I ate 33 slices that day, my friend.
Yeah, I love that.
It
On Thursdays, you.
still have it though. I think it's just more expensive.
Nah, I think they stopped.
Oh, dude,
I had a look not so long ago.
Just you, how far you are from this place, my friend?
Yeah. This is somewhere in Italy, Venice. Yeah, I'm looking for Venice here. There we go.
Oh, Connor, bro. Fuck this Zhao Mao thing, bro. Very few doesn't. Not a lot, dude.
What's up?
It's not a lot.
How many pieces is it?
Like, I'm gonna send it to you, bro. You try, like, you can see the prices like 210, 250, shit like that. It's like, I can't see clearly. You'll get the idea of what I have, you'll get. It's not really platters, bro. They're like just small dishes, dude.
Dude, R8 happy eating is... That's like your best bet.
100%, bro.
Dude, we have a place here, all you can eat sushi, dude, for $200, and it's literally all you can eat. There's no restrictions on, you can only get 5 salmon roses, 5 of this. It's all you can eat, dude. It's flipping amazing, eh?
Yeah, all you can eat is... You can't go wrong.
Bro, what is this one in the corner, Connor? I sent you the picture, bro. Can you see that? I think that's 300 rand, but I can't see how much the piece is, bro. 8, 16, it's like a 32 piece or 40 fucking piece, and then you're gonna get that for free. So it's like 80 pieces or 70
Yes,
pieces.
Nico, no. I can't see this food.
Yeah, and you're calling me blind, my friend. Exactly, my case
No,
is
bro, this is pixels.
oh shit, but you can see it.
They look decent size, but I mean I can't see anything.
The last one is the only one that looks tempting. If it is 300 rand, then it's worth it, because it's like technically like 300 rand at Happy Eating.
Holy shit.
Do you see? That's like a 40 fucking piece, my friend.
And you get 2 of them.
Yeah, you get buy
No,
one, get
bro,
one
that's
free.
too much food.
No, it's fine. I'll eat some, my friend. Don't worry. But listen, there's no hand roll now. Is the difference? Do you understand?
There is one here.
Okay, there is, but we're not buying it. Is what I'm saying. It's not part of the platter.
That's fine.
It has to be fun. Fuck it. We can't still eat a hand roll with a platter like that.
Watch Gold this hourly close perfectly, but it's gonna have no bottom wick. GJ just sitting here right now. Look at the 15 minutes. There's no volume.
No, bro. That's
Facebook. Yeah, I do have Facebook.
Type their name in on Facebook and push it to me.
I hate Facebook, dude.
I don't have Facebook. You know?
Yeah, no, it's 5:30 for that plateau.
Fuck them.
Eight crunch rolls, 8 rainbow rolls, 8 salmon roses, 8 avo maki, 4 prawn sandwiches,
Worth it, bro.
36 pieces.
That's not worth it, bro. Happy eating is literally the best option, dude.
Yeah, and the sushi's nice, dude. I don't know if I trust this place.
But, nah, we'll stick to. Oh, now I feel like sushi, Connor.
Nah, dude.
Oh, nah.
Nah, I've got chicken and rice here I need to eat. Need to be healthy, dude.
What's wrong with sushi now?
Every day.
I haven't had it for a couple of days, my friend.
Goldilocks harping some of Tuscars. What?
Goldilocks harping some of it.
Have you ever tried deep fried sushi? I have. I actually don't really like it. I'm not a big fan
Hey
of it.
David, can't you like recommend something different for us? Because we've been trying something, but something that's sushi, that's like sushi, not something weird. So,
The thing
Well,
is with
obviously-
sushi, I only really enjoy salmon.
nothing with caviar on because Connor can't eat the. Yeah, it is caviar.
Well, I mean, I can. It's just
You don't like it.
the Tokyo rolls, dude. They have too much on. They taste. Ugh.
Or is there ones with less on?
Yeah, the salmon roses have caviar on them.
Oh yeah, like 3 fucking doikies.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get a trade on GJ, but gold is looking right here. For our own gold actually looks really good. If we're breaking previous 4-hour highs with London Open volume, I would expect us to get at least like a 10-20 pip push here.
Hey, Jared. That
Yeah.
doesn't want my PlayStation. He says he doesn't buy shit.
Why now? I thought he wanted
Doesn't-
it.
He doesn't want it anymore. He says he's gonna get addicted.
Yeah, no. I'm really good with my PlayStation. Like, I don't hardly even use it. Taking a short on GJ now. Oh, that's great. Gold bar, bro. Alright. What is your predictions on gold? I'm not trying to make predictions, but if we break above 1773, I'll be looking for bars. DXY weekly flip gonna be amazing. Oh, that's a good point. Yesterday we closed bullish, so we should be coming down to flip bearish on the weekly. Yeah, man, that means we're gonna see some upside on gold if that happens. Straight to 1780. Yeah, I'm looking at that as my targets as well. 1781. I like the idea of impulse entries here on the break of this previous 4-hour high, but I'm rather waiting for London Open at this point. Once we break above the daily high from yesterday, I think we gone. The other thing is with impulse entries here, we need to be aware that the hourly candle has no bottom wick. So that's another reason to rather just stay patient. Got 36 minutes.
He said something about prawn rock and roll.
Prawn rock and roll or dragon rolls. Dragon rolls are nice, I like them.
You know, that's what we had, wasn't it? We had
Yeah.
rainbow rolls. Oh, we had.
Prawn
Okay.
rock and roll, maybe we can have a look at that. Yeah, lots of volume here as we're breaking these highs. If I were in buys here, I would be looking to go break even at 1777. But for now, the only way I can approach this really is if we retrace a little bit, leave a wick to fill, you know, still could be looking for buys at London Open. But if this is the move, which looks like it could be, then there's just nothing I can do. It's one of those things. Can't really cry over a mistrade. It's not going to get you anywhere, guys. And for me, this wasn't a mistrade. I wouldn't have taken this. There were just too many things off for me. Coming close to London Open, hourly candle, no bottom wick. It did make sense for us to push up, but the timing was just off for me.
Yeah, can you hear me, so?
Yeah, I can. How profitable is this strategy? Profitable enough? What the fuck kind of question is that?
You know, probably wants to know like your win to lose ratio. I don't know.
Here's all the trades taken on stream. So started in April. Started the last week of April. 85% win rate. $64. Never below 60% win rate. Okay, fuck, I lied. This month, funnily enough, lowest win rate, but biggest return, which is really just, you know, proof that you don't need a crazy win rate. The lowest win rate month on stream turned out to be the highest return. Insane. Couple of rough months. Yeah, sits around 60. So it's around 65% win rate. New 30-minute candle break should be good enough confirmation for entry in my opinion. To be honest, with price already sitting in the middle of this range, with 30 minutes until London Open, I'm not interested here at all. You got to think about where our stop's going to be. So if let's say we're using previous 15-minute stops, that's just not going to work. Only way to approach this for me now would be to see price retrace, form support, and then look for that continuation. So yeah, also looking for that retest. Doesn't Roger have like a 50 to 60 as well, as far as I know? Yeah, there goes DXY flipping bearish on the weekly. Welcome Shawnee, welcome to the stream.
Connor?
Yeah.
No. What flavor?
Flavor?
The way.
Oh, chocolate. Chocolate mousse.
What's the price of SSA for 2 kg or 3 kg, do you know?
I think it's like 700.
The 2 kg 321 excluding VAT and 3 kg 450 excluding VAT.
Say that again?
120 rand 2 kg 50 for 3 kg excluding VAT.
It's not bad.
So it works out to what? Like 520, isn't it? That's 30.
Yeah, I mean that's worth it.
Or 3 kg though, I think.
3.
It's like,
Yeah, I think I paid 700 for a 2 kg tub.
try to see if I can see the price of them. Yeah, it's $6.99.
In my opinion, this was the move here on gold. This was the move. I'll stick around, see how London open, how we opening up, what's happening. But overall, GJ, we're moving down here, still in a range. Gold, like I say, this move is gone. The best approach to this would to wait for a pullback in continuation. I know someone's going to be looking for sells to maybe do like a counter trend. I'm not really into that, so there's nothing here for me. You had the bar stops. Nice, bro. That played out well. Yeah, if you took the bars on the break of the 4-hour highs, that's 50 pips or so. Like I say, the timing was just off for me.
That chocolate boost is nice.
Yeah, it's decent. But I mix it with like with banana and peanut butter. I have a
Yeah,
smoothie.
they had the banana custard
Oats.
before.
Never.
Boost nice, my friend. It tastes like, you know, that it's what is that custard you buy in the yellow box? It tastes like that. Ultra milk. It tastes like that. It's so good. Bought me 6 kgs of that shit last time, but then I fucked up with like 4 kgs of whey extreme, and that must adds a lot of like fat to you, not just
Oh shit.
protein.
Yeah.
So
I've noticed the difference since I've had the pure whey.
I remember I told you about it, and you're like, "What?"
Yeah, check this thing I'm eating like 20 grams of sugar every morning. I didn't even realize.
Do you hear what I said, that the 3 kg that's normally like $1,000, dude, is 520, I think.
Yeah, that's a deal, dude. I'll definitely get that.
Do you want 1 3 kg chocolate mousse?
Yeah, please.
Is there anything else from SSA that you want, like for joints or anything like that? You fine?
Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I've got some pre-workout, got creatine and all that.
I mean, I have some pre-workout for you too if you want.
Nah, I'll fire. I'm good.
Yeah. So you're scared of that one after my experience.
Yeah, I'm chilling. Higher probability setup is key. No risky trades. I agree. I do agree. We are looking very bearish here, or not very bearish. But we have had this nice push down. Overall, we are respecting like bearish market structure here. If we can close below 164,200, that's also not too bad for sells. Just not too convinced with this range right here. So that's why I say safer sells are going to be below 163,640.
Also, our time is coming up to not take any trades, though, so.
Yeah, no. Waiting for the hourly candle close here, waiting for London open.
beer now. It's not good. Like something. Hey, I know you bought me a gift there, you bitch. Well, you didn't need to. Carl told me you bought me something. Didn't tell me what. Just told me you bought me a gift.
No, it's for both of us, dude. But you'll probably use it more than I will.
And where's mine? Yeah.
When's your birthday, Jared?
Fuck. I think it's in Feb. 20th of Feb.
Oh, 20th. Jeez,
Yo, isn't yours?
nearly a week.
Yo, yours.
A week apart.
Was this the 16th? Eh?
11th. 11th of Feb.
Oh yeah. Are we gonna do birthday presents and stuff next year?
Yeah, you can come visit me for my birthday. And then I'll take you for sushi for your birthday.
We must make it rave gifts if we're gonna do gifts. Eh? Nothing serious.
Oh,
It's just the biggest amount of bullshit you can think about.
I'll buy you a step ladder.
Alright, I'm gonna buy Nick a collar. Nick.
GJ, bullish and higher time frame. Higher time frame, me too. But like intraday I'd say we're quite bearish. Now the structure just looks whack all of a sudden after last week's candle.
Connor?
Yeah.
Oh no, fuck me. Wi-Fi went off now because my UPS is dead. I've had load shedding for like the last since 6 o'clock and it's not coming on. I don't know.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna come back to Discord before 10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, cool.
But I just heard you say it's for both of us. That's the last thing I heard. So I'll just say that way. Okay.
Oh, sure.
Sure.
Check you. Yeah, I was hoping for these GJ bars above 166. But anyway, that's obviously not gonna happen. Looking at what's happening right now. So I've only got 3 weeks left of trading for the year. So for those 3 weeks, I want to just buckle down on my discipline. Make sure I'm taking the highest probability trades. Not forcing anything, not rushing. Yesterday, no trades for London session. We did take a trade in the evening. Nice little trade on NAS. And then today, so far, looking like no trades for me. Which I'm completely happy with. You know, like I say, buckling down on the discipline for the end of the year, and I'd like to carry that through to next year. So we had this idea of impulse entries on the break of the 4-hour highs. That idea played out very nicely, but it just was not ticking all my boxes. Timing was off. We had London Open coming up. Hourly candle, no bottom wick. And you know, to me, this is not a mistrade. This was just not my trade to take. And that's just the way the cookie crumbles. see you next year, Jan 1st. No, I'll be here for the next couple weeks. But we're gonna take it slow. Who said it earlier today? Someone says slow is fast. I like that.
I think I'm gonna take December off.
I'll only be here
Sounds
for
good.
like the first couple days of December.
Yeah. Because I remember last year and the year before, December was just trash.
Hectorino said slow is fast. Yeah. I had a good December last year because I was trading NAS and US 30, and there's generally a lot of volume on the indices in December. Get that end of year rally. But yeah, we're in different times. I mean, we'll see how CPI in December comes out and how the Fed is handling that. That's gonna hold a lot of weight. When will I start trading next year? Halfway through Jan. I don't know, guys. Maybe the year's done here. When will the volume start dying? I don't know. December, we can expect things to be a little bit slower. I mean, right now there's still a lot of volume. GJ has just been horrible lately. But I mean, gold has been pumping. It just went against our overall bias here, and we've had this rally as a result from CPI, lack of liquidity in the markets, Fed pivot hopes.
But yeah, Con, I think that's gonna be me for today. I wanna go my car wash and a couple other things. So I'll check you later or tomorrow.
Okay, cool, Jared. See you.
Oh yeah, shot for stream. Check you.
No worries. See you, man.
Cheers. Tell Nico I say cheers.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, bye.
Cheers. Yeah, breaks above 1785 with enough volume could carry us through to 1800. That is quite a big range. I'm not expecting us to fill that range this morning. I would rather see us pull back, form support, and then be looking for those buys. Biggest 1 hour candle we've seen in a while in London session. I think same for me here on gold, eh? A lot of volume. So we've already moved 150 pips here on gold this morning. I'm not expecting too much more out of this during London session. 7 minutes here. Looking like a no trade day for me, guys. Gold has already done the most pre-London. And GJ for me still in a range here. Potential sells below 164.200. But for me, there's going to be a lot safer sells below 163.640 once we've cleared this support area. So that's going to be it, guys. I'm not even going to wait for this hourly candle to close. I'm quite set that I'm going to be taking no trades here today. But yeah, just doing a little bit of data collection. Like I say, taking it slow. End of year coming up. Just going to ease off the gas and then get prepared for the new year. Yeah? So yeah, take it easy, guys. Keep in mind, gold, yeah, still bullish, still got range up to 1802, but I'd personally be looking for a pullback after this move this morning. Pullbacks into 1773, 1767. That's what I'd be looking at, something like that. GJ, you know my thoughts here. PPI later for the dollar. Doesn't have as much of an effect as CPI, but you want to be aware of that. Also got some FOMC speakers later. So take it easy, guys. Safe trading. Thanks for joining. Cheers.